Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's topic is describe your house. So let's get started. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Décrivez votre maison. Ma maison. Ma maison est belle et très confortable. J'habite avec mes parents, ma sœur et mon frère. Au rez-de-chaussée, il y a un salon, une cuisine et une salle à manger. Nos chambres sont au premier étage. La chambre de mes parents est grande et leur salle de bain aussi. Ma chambre est assez grande avec deux lits. De ma chambre, je peux voir le jardin. La chambre de ma sœur est petite. J'ai un petit jardin autour de ma maison. J'aime ma maison. Its English translation: My house is beautiful and very comfortable. I live with my parents, my sister, and my brother. On the ground floor, there is a living room, a kitchen, and a dining room. Our rooms are on the first floor. My parents' room is large, and their bathroom is too. My room is quite large with two beds. From my room, I can see the garden. My sister's room is small. I have a small garden around my house, and at last, I like my house. So, people, if you like my video, then please hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to my channel, which is Quick French Learning with Shweta. And if you have any doubts related to any topic, you can write it on the comment section. Till then, bye bye.